Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. So again I'm here with the stock market update and indices levels update. I am going to discuss some important update came in the last week. Along with that, I will analyze the Nifty Bank chart as usual and will find out some important key level for the next week. So, to know the important update and Nifty Bank important support and resistance, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly level update. So let's start video with important update came in the last week. I'm going to discuss this Nifty 50 level also in Sunday video. Please go through that video also. I'll discuss some important update tomorrow also on Sunday. So please check that video also. And I have already made a video on GST reform proposal from the government of India. I can give that video link in I button. An important reform proposal which came from the government in on Independence Day by our honorable Prime Minister, and that video is very important to check because क्या क्या चेंज होने जा रहा है, क्या रिफॉर्म होने जाना है. I have discussed everything in detail. For that reform, the GST council meet is going to happen, and that meeting is scheduled on 3rd and 4th September of 2025 in New Delhi. And this meeting is very important. You should definitely watch the result, the outcome of that meeting, because the government want these reform before the festive season, before the Diwali. So government want to approve this as soon as possible, so before Diwali actually. So this meeting is very important, going to happen on 3rd and 4th September. Then important second update is Nifty 50 rejig. Yes, Nifty 50 rejig में NSE indices changes announced. These changes, जो कि please give your attention, these four stock is very important to know. These changes happens every 6 month, and this is going to happen on September में. और निफ्टी में इसमें जो नॉन परफॉर्मिंग होते हैं, नॉन परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक होते हैं, दे अपने परफॉर्मेंस के हिसाब से दे गेट द स्पेस इन निफ्टी 50. एज यू ऑल नो दैट देयर इज अ 50 इम्पॉर्टेंट लार्ज कैप स्टॉक्स, और जो कि गुड परफॉर्मिंग अच्छा परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक होते हैं. सो तो दिस, और अगर वो परफॉर्म नहीं करते, इफ दे आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, तो निफ्टी 50 में से उनको एक्सक्लूड किया जाता है. सो देयर इज निफ्टी रीजिग होता रहता है every 6 month. This time I'm giving the name of this stock which is going to enter in Nifty 50. Going the Nifty inclusion is Max. Number one, Max Healthcare, and number two, Indigo. These two stock are going to take place in Nifty 50 and replacing the two stock Hero MotoCorp and IndusInd Bank. So you can get it कि हाँ, अगर कोई एक stock exclude होता है, तो that means that stock is not performing good according to the Nifty 50 and according to the NSE. So this can be a little bit negative for the Hero MotoCorp and IndusInd Bank, and positive for the Max Healthcare and Indigo. So these four stocks is important for the next week to know, because they will react on that. So these were important update, which is I select important update only, so you should know about this. Now let's go to the Nifty Bank chart and we'll analyze what was happening in last week. You can see on your screen that I have opened the chart, and I have drawn some important line which I kept drawing, because which is very important. This trend line I kept drawing, I think, last 2-3 weeks. This trend line is giving a good support to Nifty Bank. You can see this trend line. It has taken a resistance, then again from here it has given a good breakout, and from this breakout it has touched this level of 56,100, and then trading in this zone. Yes, it went out. ये ट्रेंड लाइन भी मैं बनाती रहती हूँ, बिकॉज दिस टाइम इट इज नॉट रेलेवेंट टू मेक दिस ट्रेंड लाइन. तो जो रेलेवेंट होता है आई शुड मेक दैट ओनली अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. So this time this line is relevant for the short term for coming week, because this resistance is Nifty Bank is not breaking since last few week. You can see here it has taken 56 one and 1100, and then again here, okay, and then taken the support here, and then again a breakout from here, then again tested this level and then breakdown, and then again came on this trend line taking support here. So you can see how beautifully it is taking support here. 55,000 around, I can say, roughly 50,000, but exactly 54,900 के आसपास. 54,900 around Nifty Bank last week, not last week, last to last week taken full week. It has taken support here at 54,900. You can see here this small 1 2 3 4 5 यहाँ पे पूरे वीक में इसने यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया at 54,900. दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट सपोर्ट, इसलिए मैं रफली 55,000 बोल रही हूँ. तो यहाँ के बाद से it has again last Friday given a good jump from here, and again here resistance 56,100. So this level is looking little tough for the Nifty Bank to break, and you can see on Friday it is looking so weak, and I can't say if it's going to break this trend line in next week, even on Monday also. I can't say, because looking very weak. I may say ki it is going to break and can come till here. I have drawn this line also, because if it's breaking, you should be prepared for this 54,300 के आसपास. You should be prepared for this level. So these 3 4 level is very important. Give your attention, because this level of 54,000 is imminent after breaking this trend line. ये trend line ध्यान पे रखना. तो यहाँ से लेके 56 ये लाइन है 54,900 की. मैं रफली 55,000 बोलती हूँ, बट इट इज 54,900. okay, breaking 55,000 to 54,900. Be mindful with this level. Okay, 55,000 54,900 will take it to 54,300. I'm not going beyond this level, because after this level is ready. This is 53,600 around. So I'm not going for this level, because you can see here one taken support, and here resistance, and here also. So this 54,3600 will be imminent after breaking this 54,300, but I am not jumping. I'm only giving the level. If it happens, then what you have to you have to get ready for this 53,600 level here. I can say here, yes, 600 level. So be mindful with these important level. You, if you want, you can note down also. You want, can reverse the video and can watch again, because this you have to be mindful with these 2 3 level for the next week in Nifty Bank, as Nifty Bank is clearly looking very weak. I don't think it is going to take a reversal here. If it happens, that's very good. But looks like in on the chart I can see it is not looking that it is going to take reversal. It may break here. So this level is very very important, and be prepared for this level. Resistance 56,100 ही है, because I am not thinking it is going to break. कोई न्यूज़ भी पॉजिटिव अभी नहीं दिख रही, बिकॉज वो 50% टैरिफ फ्रॉम द ट्रम्प, इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी अफेक्टेड ऑन 27 नेक्स्ट वीक ओनली. So ये line, this line is very important of 56,100. 56,000 to 56,100 is a good resistance for Nifty Bank. So overall I have given 3 4 support and one resistance only for next week, and I have discussed the important update also about the Nifty 50 rejig, the new entrant and exiting stocks, and I have given the important date of the GST reform meeting, which you should be watching next week. Very important. Okay, 3 and 4 September. I will repeat the Nifty bank level again. Important supports 54,900, then 54,300. Important resistance is 56,100 for the next week. So do not forget to like and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices weekly levels update, all about in one video stock market pulse. Signing off.